Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Sign into an admin account so you can change drivers and services. Power cycle the router and modem, 30 seconds off, then back on, because many saved/disabled issues clear after the DHCP/firmware resets. Once the network hardware is stable, make sure your computer's airplane mode is off and the Wi-Fi adapter is enabled in settings or via the hardware switch. These first actions remove simple blocks and let you proceed to driver and configuration fixes. Next, you address drivers and the network stack because saved/disabled networks often stem from corrupted driver or service states. Open Device Manager, uninstall the Wi-Fi adapter, then scan for hardware changes to reinstall the driver. This forces a clean driver state. Run the commands netch-winsock reset and netch-int IP reset, then reboot to rebuild sockets and IP tables. Also check WLAN auto config, Windows, or the equivalent background service. And finally, you finalize the recovery with a full network reset or system restore to a point when Wi-Fi worked, because that restores configuration without guessing. If Windows Reset doesn't help, download the OEM Wi-Fi driver directly from the manufacturer and install it. Vendor drivers often fix firmware-level issues. Make sure all related startup services are enabled. If it still fails, try a USB Wi-Fi adapter or boot into safe mode with networking to isolate hardware versus OS problems. That's the key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.